Hello all, and welcome to Tech Corner. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to show you a neat feature in macOS Sequoia that allows you to add a virtual background to either your FaceTime calls or third-party video chat programs like Zoom or Teams and so on. So let me go ahead and show you how to go about doing this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and launch FaceTime, because this originally was not available in the old version of Mac, and you pretty much didn't have a virtual background. It was really kind of annoying with doing FaceTime calls for that. But now up here, when you launch FaceTime, you're going to see a little icon up here in your menu bar that looks like a camera. If you click on that, you can then go ahead and select virtual background, and it's going to automatically put a virtual background behind your screen, which is really, really neat. Now you can also customize your virtual background if you choose. So you got your kind of presets here. You can go to like Apple ones if you want to pretend you're at the Apple Park and doing a keynote, which is kind of cool. But then you can also go to your own photos, which is really neat if you want to do it that way. So let's go to from choose, and let's just say I have my Tech Corner background here, so I can hit choose, go ahead and click on that, and if I do that, there we go. So there is my background, which is really neat. So this is how you can go about adding your own custom background to your video calls, especially for those apps that might not support it. This will work with those third-party apps, which is really nice. Like for example, if you have a medical appointment, a lot of times you can't do a virtual background on it. They kind of prevent that, but this will kind of allow you to do that. So if you want to hide everything behind you, all the clutter and all that, this is a great option for you if you're on Mac. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel or want to support this channel, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.